The infrastructure of an economy is crucial for driving its advancement and establishing the groundwork for future development opportunities.
I think each of the areas which are the best for the country and India's adaptability for those needs are quite faster.
On the other hand, a robust manufacturing sector ensures self-sufficiency and boosts exports from the country.
Competitive landscape, when you look at it, India will always score much better than any of the countries, both in Asia as well as global market.
During our visit to a local manufacturing plant, we discuss how, as a country, we are building for Bharat. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.